This is the new remote. Please see there on a switch. We can turn off and turn on. Now we will introduce how do you copy this remote. This is your original remote. This is the new remote. This is button A, button B, button C, button D. Now we need a use remote, so we need to turn on. Now press button A and button B together. LED will flash quickly. Now press any button, LED don't flash. It means code had clean. Now press your original remote and then press all remote. LED will flash. Please note position very important. Now press the button C. Please note the new remote near the LED. Now cannot copy because of position. Now we need the LED. Now LED flash, so position very important. Now copy is end, but please see there on a switch. When you don't need this remote, you can turn off. And when you need to use the remote, you can turn on. You needn't copy again. And now you can press the button and open your door.